Hey friends, it's Natasha. In today's video, I'm going to show you inside the color-coded chef. This includes a binder, liquid measuring cup, cutting board, measuring cups, dry erase pen, spatula stick, food prep mat, measuring spoons, kitchen cutter, and recipe cards. So the color-coded chef, if you've never heard of them, which I hadn't either, I actually saw this on somebody's YouTube channel where they just had a card. They didn't actually have the kit. It was from a convention last year. And they said like, oh, I saw this cool company at our convention. Got me totally interested. I went to their website and ended up buying the kit. So I don't know whose video that was, so I can't say for sure who to give credit to. But anyway, so I did purchase this kit. It is designed that it can help special needs students learn how to cook as well. There's a whole list of suggestions on their website about adaptations and other skill areas you can work with special needs students, but I think this can work for any student. It doesn't have to be, you know, solely for special needs students. So let me show you what we've got here. Okay, so we open it up and we have this bag. So it's just a tote bag, the color-coded chef. So we've got the measuring cup, and notice it's color-coded, and so you'll see that throughout. So the kids can learn, you know, this light blue is a third of cup and so forth, so that can really help ease frustration. Okay, so I'm loving how it has cups, ounces, and milliliters all on the same cup. That makes me very happy. And this is like a non-slip grip, so the kids can hold it easily. I really like that. Okay, then we've got this. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay, so these are our measuring cups here. Wow, those are very nice. And I'm gonna assume that blue one is the 1/3 because it should be, because it's color-coded. Yep, so they start to learn the colors to match them up, you know, so they'll learn the 1/3, you know, and the 1/3 on here. These are nice. These are really great quality. Okay, let's see, what else do we got? I assume these are measuring spoons. All right, now what does that say? So that's 1 teaspoon. I was just checking the blue one to see what it was. So it's 1 teaspoon there. These are super nice quality. I'm very impressed. Okay, so specially designed cooking kit that makes cooking accessible for all ages and abilities, helps someone you know gain independence through cooking. My son, our story, the idea behind the kit. I'm not going to go over all this. How does it work? Okay, I will go over that. So the color-coded chef kit is a collection of recipes with detailed step-by-step instructions and simple illustrations that make the recipe easy to follow and understand. The ingredients page can be used as a grocery list at the store, then used as a checklist when you begin to cook. The kit comes with a dry erase marker so you can easily check off lists on the laminated cards, wipe off and reuse again and again. In addition to these user-friendly recipes and instructions, the kit includes color-coded measuring cups and spoons and a collection of safe, easy-to-use common kitchen utensils. The benefits of this kit. So there's, you know, practical life skills such as decision-making, sequencing, self-discipline, teamwork, direction, safety, social skills, health and hygiene, and patience. And therapy opportunities. So you can use this for gross and fine motor skills, speech, socialization, teamwork, and behavior. And there's more ideas of specifically how you can do that on their website. So it's not really left up to you to figure out, oh, how could I use this for speech? It's right on the website. So the website you really got to go to because it's full of information. So we've got included in this kit 15 laminated recipes with step-by-step, easy-to-read visual instructions, stainless steel measuring cups and spoons, a durable binder to hold your recipes, helpful kitchen tools, a non-skid cutting mat, dishwasher-safe food prep mat, safe kitchen cutter, extra-long silicone spatula. This is the Volume 1 kit, $130. You can get these fun add-ons, which we did not get. Okay. So, okay, here we go. So I guess it's on the website, but it's also, they've printed it out for you. Look at that. So it talks about the different things you can use for those things that I just talked about. and fine motor skills. So all those things I said is on the website. Well, they also gave it to you right here, but it is also on the website. There's a nice binder here. It's got stuff inside falling out. So, all right, so we've got the world's best pizza cutter, all-purpose kitchen cutter, pull-apart detachable blade, easy to use, easy to clean, top rack dishwasher safe. So, okay, I'm gonna open this up. All right, so this is just a food cutter. I'm rubbing it along my hand and it's not hurting me. So in other words, it's safe for the kids. So I can see them cutting crust off sandwiches. Oh, thank God for this. My daughter can cut her own crust off. Okay, anyway, you know, cutting pizza, whatever. How cool. And it's sparkly. Like sparkles and kids just go together. You know what I'm saying? Okay, then we've got this knife spatula thing. Okay. Wow, super nice. All right. And I guess this is a little magnet. I think you can stick a picture in there. Yeah, you can. I think you stick your kid's picture in there to show them like as a little chef. I think that's what you do. It's a little magnet. Okay. So then we've got, here, I'll show you that in a second. We've got the cutting board here. Okay, so that's nice. All right. And, oh, this is dishwasher safe. I think this is that mat, what do they call this? The food prep mat. So they can use this for food prep, and then you can wash this. That's crazy. In the dishwasher? I'm so amazed right now. Okay, and then we've got, oh, I guess we register our kit online. And then we got a little thank you card. Okay. All right, so then we've got our binder. Now I will also say there is also a set of worksheets that you can purchase. And it's like, I don't know, something like 250 worksheets. It's a ton. And I did purchase the worksheet packet too. So I will include some footage right now of the worksheets. Okay, so now I've got these in the binder, so let's take a look. These are the laminated cards. We've got items included in the kit, other items used in the cookbook. So these are things you probably already have on hand, like a crock pot, a pan, a baking sheet, scissors, oven mitt, things like that. I can tell by looking at this, I do have all of these things. So I think these are pretty common household items. Then we've got helpful tips and suggestions. So then, and on the back too, and then we got equipment substitutions and ingredient substitutions. So that way, if you have a gluten allergy, it gives you substitutions for that. And then got more substitutions there. And then we get into the recipes. So these are really thick laminated cards, and like they said, you can mark right on them. Either like while you're shopping, you can take this with you shopping. Obviously not right now, but you know, you don't want to take your kids to the store right now, but you could even have your kids help you with the online shopping and adding these items to the cart. That's good computer skills too. Anyway, as they go, you can mark off, or even if you're doing the shopping, you can online or something, you can have them mark it off as you go, and then you can just wipe it off and then use it as you're pulling out the ingredients later to cook and mark it off again. Okay, so that's really nice, and so it shows you all the ingredients you need and the supplies you need, and see substitutions page to make gluten-free and for other options. And then we get right into it here. So we've got step one, it's, you know, step 1, step 2, 3, 4, and it says, you know, put 3 pink cups of baking flour in, put 2 blue teaspoons of baking powder in, put 1 purple teaspoon of baking soda, and so forth. And it shows a picture of what they should be doing. So this is great, like I said, for special needs students or younger students or anybody new to cooking at all. This is, you know, step by step. Okay, and then serve and enjoy. I love banana nut muffins. I definitely can't wait for those. Okay, so pumpkin pancakes, almond butter dip. Okay, ranch dip. All right, I'm gonna love that too. Deviled eggs are literally my favorite thing. So, okay, I say that about everything, but you know, I really do love deviled eggs. Zucchini bites. Chicken salad. Tuna cheese salad. Creamy grape salad. Baked potatoes in the crock pot. I've never made a baked potato in the crock pot. You'll learn something new every day. How easy is that? Broccoli raisin salad. Broccoli cauliflower chicken casserole. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Oh, you know what? I'm just thinking, I think I might have all the ingredients for this. We may have to make this soon. Pizza muffins, how fun. Awesome carrot cake. And light pumpkin dessert. All right, so that is super fun, and I hope this was helpful to you and you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. If you're interested in all things homeschooling, this is the channel and the place to be. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.